Hello, Emmanuel Sisterhood team. Thank you so much for all the time and the effort that you've put into helping the Rise Up event occur this April 27th. Wanted to give you a quick glance at part of our follow-up process. We have two routes. We have a brand new guest that's new to Emmanuel, and we want to follow up with an email and with adding them to a group and those types of things. We also have a second option where someone's been attending Emmanuel, but this might be their first Emmanuel Sisterhood event. Now, if that's the case, we have a little different follow-up process, and that'll be the second video. But if you're part of this team entering the brand new guests, Pastor Jody Roosh has shared with you a couple of details on what to look for on the Connect card that is handed out during the event for follow-up. Now, with that information, we're going to be logging into your Gmail account, and there'll be a link that's sent to you, and we'll open that link for the Sisterhood Spring Data Entry Form. This form's purpose is to be able to allow you to enter the new guest information into this form, and then we'll send it to My Emmanuel, which is a company called Church Community Builder, so that they can put it into our database. It saves you time, and it also allows you to focus on that important aspect of being able to prepare your team for those callbacks and the emails that will be sent out. With that, the form is pretty simple. You're going to enter in the first name, and you can see above here too that there's some examples of how to fill it in. First name based on the card, last, mobile phone, city, and email. And then if they're considered a first-time guest and would be receiving a callback, you'll put a yes here. If they're receiving an email, you'd put a yes here. And then if they happen to attend a different church, you're going to want to write their church name in there just for our reference, so we know how many people are coming from different locations or churches that they might already attend, so that we know how to best follow up with them. You'll see on the far side here that the Church Community Builder team will be adding every single woman on this list to our women ministry updates that come from Pastor Jody Roosh. And their membership type is event only. If they start attending Emmanuel and become part of the family, we'll add them as an attender or a guest depending on their level of involvement. So with that, this is the form that we're going to be using to collect the information so that I can send it. I'm Michelle, our database coordinator here at Emmanuel, over to the Church Community Builder team so that they can put it into our database. Note, just as it says over here in the for our reference sections, if it isn't true that we're going to be doing this action to them, please leave it blank. And then over here in this section, if they are without information, please leave that section blank as well. You'll be able to save it here, and I'll be sending it out on my side to CCB a little bit later. So thank you for doing your part in helping the new guests follow up with these new women that happen to come to the Rise Up event this year. So thank you so much, and look forward to continuing to connect with you on the next part if you'll be helping with some of the people that are attending that came to their first Rise Up event. Thanks so much.